All right, you guys, we are back here with another motherfucking video. It is Saturday, and it is time to start the 2 and start our beautiful day. But here we go. Here's a cold start. Sounding fucking fire. What a time to be alive. What a blessed time to be alive. Couldn't be happier, man. No cap. Anyway, we are headed down to grab some motherfucking breakfast. What's new, and then we are gonna see what we can get into today. I'm not sure if there's any meets today. If there's a Cars and Coffee though, tomorrow I might slide. I was gonna slide to a Cars and Coffee for y'all today, but only reason why I didn't was because I don't know, it didn't really seem like it was that big of a turnout, and the place is 35 minutes away. So all right, y'all, we just got out to the train station. I just wanted to show you guys the whip. We got the federales right there, but nah, man, we're actually in our lucky number backwards, so that's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. Definitely need to go ahead and get rid of these resonated tips, and I need to get non-resonated tips, and then I also need to cut off the fucking non-loaded diaper on the bottom. And once I do that, it's gonna be fire. But I also just ordered lowering springs and spacers. So I mean, bro, the fender's about to be coming down to like right there, damn near. As you can see, we be having fun with the back tires a little bit, and then this one I think is supposed to come down like down to here, and then it's just everything's gonna look so good. Ordered a nice little carbon fiber kidney grill thing for the front of the grill, and then I also just ordered a carbon fiber diffuser for the back. So I think she's gonna be looking like spot on. She's gonna be looking beautiful. I'm gonna have to I want to find a 3-piece set for the splitter, because I need to find a splitter, I think. So I'm gonna find a 3-piece, but I'm probably gonna find it in black and not carbon. Carbon is a little expensive for that. Like, it's looking like $800 for a carbon splitter. Are you fucking kidding me? That's too much, bro. Way too much. That's out of this fucking world. So I might just do a black one and just match the black to the black trim around the car, the black wheels, the kidney's about to be black and carbon, so I mean, I guess that kind of match. I think that cop has an M240. There's some cop in this town that has he has an M240. Has an M2 front bumper and shit. It's really clean. But nah, we are hopping in the whip and we are gonna go get some goddamn breakfast. No bullshit. It's now Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday. We didn't end up doing shit yesterday. But maybe we're gonna do something today. It's taking a while though today. She's really cold starting. Think of how loud it'd be if I took off that bottom muffler. See how quiet it gets? If I were to take off the back muffler, that bitch would be loud. All right, y'all, we are gonna hop up in the M4. I gotta run a quick little errand for the one time, and then yeah, we're gonna cruise there. The cars are disgusting and covered in a shit ton of pollen, so God damn, bro. About 8 minutes away. Anthony's already there with a few BMW guys. We're filling the tank. We need about, I don't know how many miles, but we'll see. We're gonna get up to like 150, so we'll see. But it's gonna be pretty fun tonight, I think. I'll catch back up with y'all when we get to the meet. It's light out, bright out, so we're straight vibing. Yo, now we just got out to the meet. This shit is gas. I'm not even gonna lie, it goes all the way back over there. That shit is hella tough. Aguila, but this ugly ass motherfucker likes to call it a Julia. But I swear that shit is called Aguila. 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 It's like that. Clean ass E90. Clean body shit. That motherfucker aired out, man. That shit's sitting insane. Yes, sir. Stupid, bro. That's stupid. This shit got the carbon hood on it. I'm gonna just do a walk by for y'all. Yo, so if you wanna look at the whip, you gotta just fucking pause the video. I'm only show you the whips I want to show y'all, no cap. No cap. That intake is wild looking. It's hard body. Backed out super bit. We've seen this one before at a few meets. We got the Maniac whip right here. So that shit going 200.
Yeah, bro. Look at that tailpipe too.
Bring that shit to the Autobahn, you're maxing out 300.
That's that 1-inch exhaust tip.
Yeah, for real. Anthony brought his shit today. Anthony's shit's mad clean. Of course. That thing sounds insane. A nice clean body M3. I was looking inside, they got a roll cage on it. A roll cage in the back. Swap seats. Bro, this thing is insane looking. It's on BBS's, lowering springs, all of that. And then of course it goes to 200 on the dash and maxes out at fucking 9K RPM. That is stupid. One day I'm gonna have one of these for sure. Most definitely. We seen this one at the warehouse too. We seen this one at, we went to one in Bridgewater with the M4. I don't know if I put that shit on YouTube. I don't think I did, but we saw that one there. Hard body. Big W, bro. It's their second meet that they're hosting, and it's this live.
Yo, he reversed the ACTY and put it next to my car again. Like, he backed it in.
Oh, yo, and he put the things down?
Bro.
That's insane. Fucking Skyline, bro. Jesus. And it's a right-hand drive. Bro, that shit is mad tough. Bro, the look of them shits just look crazy to me. Bro, this is the duo right here.
For real.
Imagine towing this shit on the back of that, bro. That'd be insane. That's insane. What did we just see?
The Goofy Mobile.
Bro, that's the Goofy Mobile version of that.
That shit got an exhaust on too.
That ass. We got another M3 over here. I'm gonna swap over here real quick. It's got carbon hood. For sure, that's not a wrap.
Yeah, no, it's not a wrap. Bro, that dude actually paid the tow truck driver to bring his car to the car meet.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to figure that out.
What?
Yeah.
He doesn't want to put no miles on it?
Yeah, clearly. Kind of OD. We got the nice 240. That's a Z. Mustang. We always have love for Mustangs forever. The hardest wagon. It's the S4. This shit is mad clean. I don't know shit about an Audi, but I know this shit is clean. He's got the fear of dying shit on the front too, bro. That's tough. I'll put one of them shits on the two, bro. That look insane. Damn, that is a track.
Supercharger too, bro.
That is a track.
Sound like a whole fan.
Yeah. I think I seen that one in Parsippany. Oh my god. And there's a 440. That thing was fucking that ass. Yeah, but they're a different brand, but they're the same. But they're the same type of.
Yeah, same brands. trying to
Bro got
replicate
the whole
scene.
fucking shopping cart on top of the whip. That is insane.
Yo, I didn't see that.
Yo, this fucking thing. This is the toughest shit here. Yeah, nah, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Yo. Nah, this shit, bro,
Bro, that shit has off-road tires.
Bro, this shit is so sick.
That shit has not.
And you see the fenders too? He got the fender flares on that bitch.
Bro, and this door actually like rides back on the track and everything, bro. That's
No, that's crazy. I like the bumper
bro,
too.
look how tall the door is.
No, that's insane. It looks like a cone head.
花飘飘，北风。
Deadass. Yo,
Yeah, same brand and everything.
that color's hella nice. This whole car's nice. It'd be nice if you got the clear tails for the back. Get some like clear instead of where the red is.
That front bumper is tough. I like that front bumper a lot.
Yeah, it's actually a clean Z or 350. My whip looking hella nice in the light though. There's no scratches on it for real.
None.
Let me hear it. Yo, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let me hear
Alright, we're getting back in the car and we are going home.